Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review or a demonstration of this Mainstays 12-inch pedestal table fan. Wait, let me just check the model on it. It is model TF330E. So wait, let me just get the oscillation straight. There. So, yeah, pretty good fan. I got it for $20 basically at Walmart. Obviously, it's a Mainstays product. What do you expect? And you may have remembered the Mainstays 16-inch pedestal fan at my uncle's house, which had the same dial system. And yes, that pedestal fan, I recorded that about 2 years ago. It's still in stock at Walmart. When I got this, I saw those on the shelves also. So this is part of the same line, I'm guessing, because they were both black and they basically look the same, and they're right next to each other. So I'm thinking they're just standard Mainstays products. So yeah, it's basically the same thing as that one, except it's a bit smaller, and it's a desk fan, obviously. Same oscillator knob and everything. Looks pretty similar. Same dial system there too. The base is obviously different. But yeah. So I think enough talking for now. I'll start it up. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, so it's a rotary dial. And I forgot to tell you this, it draws 0.35 amps. So yeah. And this thing has a few flaws that I would like to say. Now, the first flaw that I would like to talk about is this handle. When I bought it, this was literally touching this, like that. More than that. This was literally on that. And I actually had to bend it a little because it was way too hard to pick up. And even now, it hurts my fingers trying to do it. And I can't imagine how hard an actual full-sized adult, how hard it would be for them to pick this up. And based off of what I've seen, my mom and my grandma, they actually pick it up from there, and so do I usually. Because this thing, the handle is just so bad. And the second thing is that there was some errors in the base, like the screw holes weren't fully pierced, and a bunch of other stuff. I don't need to talk about everything. The blades were misformed a little, but whatever. Anyway, other than that, it's a pretty quiet fan. It rattles, as you can hear. You can see a little bit of that rattling on camera. So yeah. But it is they said it has a whisper quiet motor. On the box it said that. And I say, yeah, it is pretty whisper quiet. It hums a lot less than the other table fans I have. And yeah, I've actually been surprised by how good this fan is. I use it a lot. Anyways, medium. Now the wobbling is pretty apparent. You can hear it. And overall, I wouldn't expect much from Walmart. And, oh yeah, by the way, this grill was already bent from me picking it up once. So this quality is absolutely terrible. And you can just hear it. It's loud on medium, the vibration. The fan is actually pretty quiet. Just the vibration is just, oh. Just hear it going all wild. And on high speed, it does kind of go away, because I'm pretty sure the vibration frequency or something, and the fan speed or something, like syncs up or something, or it gets closer. Oh, it actually just made it worse. This thing is vibrating extremely. This is probably the worst vibrating fan I've ever seen in my life. And I'm sure none of you fan collectors have ever seen something vibrating this much. Oh my God. I'm not criticizing Walmart or anything. For 20 bucks, this is a good deal. And if you just want something, this is a good choice. But I'm just stating the facts of what's happening with this thing. And look at the blades. They're not the best pitched, I'd say. It's pretty wobbly. But yeah. Anyway, I want to turn it off now. Spin down. Yeah, the bearings definitely aren't the best. I don't think they're oiled one bit in this thing. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video of